after an auto accident and you're okay, before you call the insurance company, remember this. Insurers that have to pay for your repair are going to want to save money on it. That's why they steer you to their preferred body shops. Most of these shops have agreed to use aftermarket or even junkyard parts. And whatever you do, don't accept a cell phone photo estimate. These are incomplete and can cost you time and money to correct. To avoid this, go to PricesCollision.com to find the location close to you. At Prices Collision, we believe in using original quality parts and repairing to your manufacturer's standard. That's why we're certified with almost every automaker out there. For your family's safety and your car's value, exercise your right and choose Prices Collision. We accept all insurance, but we work for you.
Prices Collision, a perfect repair with a lifetime guarantee.